Bamiri magana ma arata athomi arutwo thukuru wa NIBS Technical College na atongoria nimekinyirie thukuru-ini wa NIBS Technical RUIRU campus kuri igongona ria kiririkano kia mwambiriria wa NIBS Technical mutigaire Lizzie Wanyoike NIBS. Aria umwe thutha wa uria ungi ni matugiririe wirutiri na wendo wa mutigaire hari kugacirithia miturire ya MBEU njithi na andu aria matehotete guku andu a nyumba yake makimuguta ta gitugi kiria kiramanyitithanitie.
DC extended her welcoming hand to many of us, including myself, providing not just a job but an opportunity to be a part of the educational journey at Nairobi Institute of Business Studies.
She was a beacon of hope to all of us.
A mother to all of us, a sweet grandmother to all the children, a mentor to many, a role model to the young generation.
Atongoria aria megwikinyitie igongona-ini riri ni mataririe wendi wa Lizzie kuona muingi ugitungatwo na njiriria yagiriire niguo kugacirithia uthii wa na mbere wa bururi.
Through her generosity, she not only provided financial assistance but also empowered us to dream beyond our circumstances.
Lizzie akoretwo muharini wa mbere hari guthingatithia mitugo miega na kuheana motaro kuri MBEU njithi kugerera njira itiganite cia ukinyaniria niguo mahote kwigacirithia miturire-ini yao na metheme na mogwati maria mahofanirie makiri ma MBEU njithi ta unyui wa njohi cia ibango, dawa cia kurebia na kuhanda tene.
She used to spend about 1 million per term in secondary school and primary school. I was looking at the data every term. There are about 75, 62 whose fees is paid in full at those levels.
Lizzie MUTHONI ni umwe wa andu aria mambiririe gwikirira guthomithia arutwo kothi cia moko mbere ya thirikari gucoka kuihimbiria na gwikirira mathomo maya ari njira imwe ya guthondeka mieke ya mawira. Lizzie akahurukio muthenya wa keri kiumia giukite.
She used to encourage us, to tell us that you can be whatever you want to be in life only if you work hard and smart, if you are committed, and if you believe in God.
Girifotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Nyambura wa Kiruba.
Familia mingi zipate unga.